How to use your JBL soundbar in case you don't have the remote control. How to use it without a remote control. Well, the good thing is that you actually do not need it for most things. So if you want to connect it to your TV, I suggest you do it using Bluetooth or HDMI. So over here on the back, you see HDMI out. This is where you're going to connect a cable from there to the back of your TV in the HDMI ports that says EARC or ARC. So connected in that port. And from there, by using these buttons, you'll be able to select HDMI. So if you take a look, you have the power button on and off, volume down and volume up, and this is the source selector. By pressing on it and selecting HDMI, you'll be able for the soundbar to receive the sound coming out of the TV using the HDMI cable you have connected. If you're using Bluetooth, again with this button you can select Bluetooth. If you don't see Bluetooth, you see over here you see LG TV. It's because I have connected this soundbar using Bluetooth to my LG TV. You'll have to put the soundbar into pairing mode, and to do this, press this button when you're in Bluetooth mode, and it will switch to BT pairing, Bluetooth pairing, which means that you'll be able to pair it with your TV. Just with these buttons, you can use your soundbar. What you're gonna miss if you don't have a remote control, it's mostly the bass button. If you have a subwoofer like this one, the bass button can be useful because you can change the level of the bass. You can put it higher, lower, whatever you prefer. You have the Dolby button if you want to enable and disable this feature. And this is about it. Usually you don't miss much apart these two features. The other things are all on the soundbar. So this is about it. This is how you use your soundbar. I hope it was useful. I hope you're feeling reassured. And if you need a remote control, I'll put links towards Amazon down below so you can get one. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.